Hey Glitterfox fam, today we're going to be talking about how do I start strumming on the guitar. Now most people might be talking about this in relation to playing chords, but what I want to do is focus on making sure that we've got a solid strumming pad first. So we're going to look at a really simple few steps to be able to strum. So what we're going to do is play a game called I play one, you play one. So I'm going to play something and then you're going to repeat after me. So first step is just 4 down strums like this. Now you, down, 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 and again, down. Now you, down, 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 down. Now we're going to add in some down ups, like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now you, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and again, down, up, 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 down, up. Now we're going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now we're going to go down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Now you, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Hope that helps. Let me know if you want something else to learn. Enjoy.